Now let us read Article 16(4). See, you will say, ma'am, what is the 16(4)? We have different articles in Constitution. So even article has subparts like 16(1). Okay, then अगर 1 में भी different bifurcations है, so we can have 16(1)(a). So in this way. So when we are reading Article 16 and that to the 4th clause of it, so we will see, nothing in this article shall prevent the state from making any provision for the reservation of appointments or posts in favor of any backward class of citizen which in the opinion of state is not adequately represented in the service under the state. So they are saying according to Article 16(4) कोई भी चीज़ स्टेट को नहीं रोक सकती क्या करने के लिए, प्रोविजंस लाइक रिजर्वेशन लाने के लिए. और रिजर्वेशन क्यों लाने के लिए, ताकि वो फेवर कर सके कुछ ऐसी क्लास को, क्लास ऑफ सिटीजन्स को जो पहले एडुक्वेटली रिप्रेजेंट नहीं हुई सोसाइटी के अंदर. नाउ यू विल से, मैम रिप्रेजेंट नहीं हुई, हाउ? सी, व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट दलित्स, तो हम तो उन्हें इंसान भी कंसिडर नहीं करते थे ना. And when we did not even consider them humans, that is one reason that हम उन्हें घर में नहीं आने देते थे, हम उन्हें अपने साथ खाने नहीं देते थे, अपने साथ बैठने नहीं देते थे. So हम उन्हें कभी रिप्रेजेंट ही नहीं होने देते थे. Also we have another article which is Article 21 which says protection of life and personal liberty. No person shall be deprived of his life and personal liberty except according to procedure established by law. So now what is Article 25 saying? Article 25 says that everyone has the right to protection of life. Okay, that means हर किसी को लाइफ जीने का अधिकार है एंड सेम वे उनको अपनी लाइफ के लिए प्रोटेक्शन मिलना चाहिए. एंड पर्सनल लिबर्टी, that means liberty means freedom. So when I'm saying personal liberty, it basically means merely personal freedom. For example, if I'm in my home, so whatever religion I practice there, whatever I study there is none of anyone's else business, and no government or other person can say me कि आप ये क्या पढ़ रहे हो, आप ये क्या खा रहे हो, आप ये कौन सा religion follow कर रहे हो. No. So I have my personal liberty. Okay, plus at the same time, since my life is important, since everybody has the right to live, so that is why according to law हमें protection भी मिलनी चाहिए. Also no person shall be deprived of life or personal liberty, and same way कोई भी deprive नहीं होना चाहिए life और personal liberty के लिए except according to procedures established by law. So if for example I have right to life, okay, I have personal liberty also, but if I'm talking about personal liberty, so how do I conduct myself personally is no one's business, but certain procedures are there in the law. So उस procedures को ध्यान में रखते हुए we follow these things. Okay, like for example, if we will take the situation of COVID-19, so now this is my choice that how I live in my home. But now since this is a situation of COVID-19, we need to take care. If I am stepping out of my home, I have to wear a mask, I need to wash my hands frequently, I need to use sanitizer. So according to the procedures led by the law, that means how a law is staying, and सबके welfare का जब हम बात करते हैं, so we talk about this. So Article 21 clearly says that हर किसी को जीने का हक है, and when I'm talking about life, तो उसका protection भी equally important होता है, and everybody has personal liberty, that means personal freedom.